Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science courses with Skillshare. Open your web browser and go to the Skillshare website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose your preferred method and fill in the necessary information. Once you've entered your details, click on Continue or Sign Up. After signing up, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Skillshare. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Now, log into your Skillshare account. In the search bar at the top, type Data Science and hit Enter. Browse through the list of available data science courses. When you find a course that interests you, click on its title to view more details. Read the course description, instructor information, and reviews to ensure it fits your needs. Once you've decided to enroll, click on the Enroll Now button. If the course is free, you will be added to the class immediately. If the course requires payment, follow the prompts to enter your payment information. After completing the payment process, you will be enrolled in the course. Return to your profile to find the course listed in your classes. Now you're ready to start learning data science on Skillshare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.